So guys, I want to do a quick tutorial of falling in love with Jesus. Basically did this on my other channel, my music channel. I will leave a link to that at the end. But to get in this, we're going to do this in the key of F. Falling in love with Jesus. Falling in love with Jesus. Now we're going to start and do that whole thing again. I'm going to break it down for you. It starts out with the F, then the C minor. I'm adding the D, or that 2, F9, B flat 2, F over A, G minor 7, C suspension. Now let's start that again. I'm going to tell you that in numbers. If you like numbers, it's 1, 5 minor, add that 2, 1 9, 4 2, 1 over 3, 2 minor, and that's a 5 suspension. So then the song continues on and it goes to this little passing tone. Falling in love with Jesus is the best thing I've ever done. And that little passing tone is C sharp diminished, D minor, C minor to the F9, G minor, C1. And that little turnaround at the end you can do however you want. If you want to walk up, however you want to do it. Any little turnaround you like to do going from that G minor to the C. And in numbers, this would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sharp diminished, 6 minor, 5 minor, 1 9, 2 minor, 1 over 5, 5 1. So I'm going to play it real quick for you one time through, and I'm going to put the letters and numbers on the screen. Falling in love with Jesus. Falling in love with Jesus. Falling in love with Jesus is the best thing I've ever done. And to end that, you're going to walk down to that D minor or that 6 minor. It's the best thing I've ever done. Anyway, guys, I hope that helped you. I hope that blesses you and gives you an idea how to do this song. If you would like, leave a comment below of some of the songs you'd like to see tutorials on and what you'd like to play, and I will work it out for you when I get a chance. Anyway, guys, like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Watch some of these other videos, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless.